Hi, I'm Lori with craftroomtime.com, and I'm here to bring you another wonderful video. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you get notifications, and here we go. I'm going to show you how to create an SVG using some free programs out there. So I'm going to select this dog and photo and make it into an SVG. So I'm going to go to the background remover, and that's just remove.bg, and upload the image and open. So then it shows you that it's removed the background. That's what these little X's mean, or the little checkers mean, that there's no background anymore. I'm going to download the project and save it. Then I'm going to go over to the free SVG converter, and that is picsvg.com, and I'm going to upload the picture that we just saved without the background and open it. Down below it shows you the picture and then the SVG that it created, and you'll just click download SVG. And then I'm going to rename it so that I can find it easy, or when I'm going into Cricut, and save it. Then just open your Cricut, have a new canvas, go to upload, upload image, browse, find your dog, you're going to upload the SVG, that's why I rename it. You'll see it comes in. You can tag it if you like and save it. Select it until it has a green arrow or a box around it. Put insert image and it'll come in. I'm going to get it up nice and big so I can see what I'm doing. It comes in grouped, and you can see all of the little pieces here. There's going to be some pieces that you may want to get rid of, so what I'm going to do is select it again, and you see there's a little dot up here that I'm not going to want to cut, and then you can get rid of some of these other ones here too if you like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup it first, and then select this little dot that's over here by itself, as you can see it up here, and delete it, because we don't want that cutting. Now you can go through and delete some of these other ones over here too that really aren't adding much to your photo or SVG, and you may not want to cut all these little guys. Some of them are going to be hard to get, so you might have to just kind of go over here and select until you find it, and then some of them you can just click on. You don't want to get rid of too many of these because they do provide the definition for the dog. And then when you click here, you can also see that this over here is highlighted, over to the right is highlighted gray, so you can see what all is included in that cut. Okay, I think that's probably about it. I'd probably go through and do a little more cleaning up if I wanted to, but that's the basic idea. When you're done cleaning it all up, then be sure to select the entire object and click attach down in the right corner. It attaches all your dots together, and then you can go to make it. Yeah, some of these are a little bigger when you start getting into photos, and then you can see how it looks on your mat, and you're ready to go. So that's using the free products. There's also another program I wanted to show you that's called Canva that can also remove the background, and I think that sometimes it does a better job of cleaning things up a little bit. So you would just click on that Instagram template. It makes it a square, it's a nice size. And then it comes to an untitled page. Go to uploads and upload your image. So we would upload the one with the with the background, sorry. Open. Canva is a free product, You can go pro. If you're free, you have to pay for some of the things that you use inside of it, but it's still a very good program. Once you have it in here, you can go to Effects and Background Remover. It just gives you a lot more things that you can do inside of Canva versus just the plain SVG. So there you go. That's the way it looks in here. And then you would just go to Download, get a PNG. You can change the size. You're going to click Transparent Background, and then you'll click Download and save it to your computer. And so it's going to save it as a PNG just like we did before. This is the no background. So those are two options that you can work with to remove backgrounds or enhance your images or anything like that in Canva.com.